everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video, we are playing Roblox. And today we're playing Happy Birthday because it's my birthday! And I am here with Dalton. Yeah, and it's just gonna be fun. We did a birthday on Dalton's channel we did a birthday video on Dalton's channel last year. It's just gonna be fun. We did a Minecraft video for my birthday last year.
How do you swing, Jack?
Oh, I'm swinging.
You can't go any higher?
I don't think so. Boo, that is kind of upsetting. Pizza! No. Pizza! I just ate it all.
What is up here?
Oh, you just went right through that.
Let's go in the bouncy house.
Where's that? Oh, right there. Where are you going? This is fun. Whee! Okay, I think that's good enough for now.
Let's go in the ball pit.
Okay. Woo! Ow! Because we're kind of stepping on them. Ball pit! You rock! Numbin one will hack you too! Mwahaha! It's funny! I'm a big fan of her. This game is really fun.
Jump into the balloons.
The balloons! I got a lot of stuff for my birthday this year. It got silly string, which me and Dalton played with earlier with my sister. Wait, how?
Let's play hide and seek. I'll hide. You try to find me.
Okay, I'm gonna pause the recording. Okay, so where could Dalton be? Is he in the treehouse? Let's find out. There's cake. I have a piece of cake. My thumb hurts for some reason. I see you!
Oh, no, you don't.
Yeah, I do. I see you. Hi.
Oh, yeah, where am
I just saw you. Don, I did just see you. You can't just say no you didn't. Cause I did.
Where am I now?
I'm gonna try and look for you. Why are there people joining?
Ready, Jack?
No, Don, it's my turn.
Yeah, ready? Look. Ready? Watch the treehouse.
Okay, now it's time for my turn to hide. I'm gonna pause. I'm hiding. Also, next video will be very special because something new will happen. Don't tell them what it is, Dalton.
Don't think he's in the ball pit. Behind the ball pit.
Oh, you found me!
Good. Alright, now it is your turn to count.
Okay, I'm gonna go pause the recording and I will count. So, where could Dalton be? How is that person going so high? Dalton, you can't hide in the same place. If you're in the treehouse, you can't hide in the same place. Yeah, that's what okay. Wait, can you see me?
I can't.
World? Where even are you? I think this person giving away where you are. Are you following me? Oh! I saw you! Now it's time for my turn to hide, so I'm gonna pause. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!
See you later, guys. Alright, Jack, we'll film more.